Hi team, Rachel from Using Technology Better here. I just want to show you a quick tip on how you can create your own personalized digital planner for free. We are going to use two different apps. The first one we're going to use is Canva, and the second one we're going to use is Goodnotes, which you can actually just see on my screen right there. So what you want to do is you want to jump into Canva on my iPad, so you can do it on your iPad, and then what you want to do is in the search bar you want to type in planner, and you can be as descriptive as you want to. You can put yellow planner there, or a flower planner, or a neon planner. See what you want to do. I'm just going to tap onto planner because I want to take a look at all of the different options. As you can see, you've got the different options where you can have notebook or a planner there. You decide, it will come up with the different ones however you want it to be. When you scroll down, there are so many different options. You've got your to-do list, your daily planners, your calendars, your teacher planner. It just keeps going, and if we have a look at the top, there is actually over 14,000 templates. So you may want to use the filtering system to be like, I want a business one, I want it to be all these colors, it's for accounting, and la-di-da-di-da. So filter it out. So now that I've filtered it out, we can see that we've got my itinerary planner and my weekly planner, and I can tap onto that and I can take a look at what it is. So this one is only a one-page one. I kind of want a full planner, so I'm going to go back onto design here, and I can go through and I can search for whatever I want to, and also tap onto the different styles and things like that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump onto this 2024 planner, take a look. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of different things on there, some places for me to write. Awesome. I'm going to apply the 26 pages and it should all come up. There we go. Right now I've got a planner here. Now I'm going to keep this digital, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to tap onto the share and I'm going to download it as a PDF. It always suggests what type of download you should have. This one is just PDF standard, and that is fine because it is digital. So let's go download. And while that is downloading, I'm going to then open up my Goodnotes app. But the cool thing is that once it's downloaded on your iPad, it's going to give you that option. So you can download it, you can save it to your files if you want to, or automatically open it in Goodnotes. So let's open it in Goodnotes. It's then going to import it into Goodnotes, import it as a new document, and here it is. So this is my planner, and within Goodnotes you've got all of these different options at the top. You've got the pen, you've got the highlighter, you've got the eraser, you can add in different images and things, and if you use your two fingers you can swipe and you've got your digital planner there. So I can now go in, tap onto my pen, decide what type of pen I want, and I can begin to write different things that are happening on here, and I can highlight them too so that I remember. I can add in images and lots of different things here, text boxes, I can edit it, and then if I go back, it's automatically saved into my Goodnote as a notebook. So there is a digital planner that is free using Canva and Goodnotes. My name is Rachel from Using Technology Better.